Unit conversion for units of length. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 2 meters to centimeters. The answer is 200 centimeters. There are 1000 nanometers in 1 micrometer. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 3 micrometers to nanometers. The answer is 3000 nanometers. There are 1 million femtometers in 1 nanometer. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 5 nanometers to femtometers. The answer is 5 million femtometers. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 4 feet to inches. The answer is 48 inches. There are 0.0254 meters in 1 inch. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 10 inches to meters. The answer is 0.254 meters. There are 3.28084 feet in 1 meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 2 meters to feet. The answer is approximately 6.56168 feet. There are 0.3048 meters in 1 foot. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 6 feet to meters. The answer is 1.8288 meters. There are 1.09361 yards in 1 meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 5 meters to yards. The answer is approximately 5.46805 yards. There are 0.9144 meters in 1 yard. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 3 yards to meters. The answer is 2.7432 meters. There are 1,760 yards in 1 mile. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 2 miles to yards. The answer is 3,520 yards. There are 0.000568182 miles in 1 yard. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 1,000 yards to miles. The answer is approximately 0.5688182 miles. There are 0.621371 miles in 1 kilometer. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 10 kilometers to miles. The answer is 6.21371 miles. There are 1.60934 kilometers in 1 mile. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 3 miles to kilometers. The answer is 4.82802 kilometers. There are 0.539957 nautical miles in 1 kilometer. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 20 kilometers to nautical miles. The answer is 10.79914 nautical miles. There are 1.852 kilometers in 1 nautical mile. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 7 nautical miles to kilometers. The answer is 12.964 kilometers. There are 9.4607 trillion kilometers in 1 light year. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 1 light year to kilometers. The answer is 9.4607 trillion kilometers. Metric unit conversion using engineering prefixes. There are 10 to the power of 3 millimeters in 1 meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 3 meters to millimeters. The answer is 3 times 10 to the power of 3 millimeters. There are 10 to the power of minus 3 meters in 1 millimeter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 1500 millimeters to meters. The answer is 1.5 meters. There are 10 to the power of 3 meters in 1 kilometer. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 5 kilometers to meters. The answer is 5 times 10 to the power of 3 meters. There are 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometers in 1 meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 2,000 meters to kilometers. The answer is 2 kilometers. There are 10 to the power of 6 meters in 1 megameter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 2 megameters to meters. The answer is 2 times 10 to the power of 6 meters. There are 10 to the power of minus 6 megameters in 1 meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 500,000 meters to megameters. The answer is 0.5 megameters. There are 10 to the power of minus 6 meters in 1 micrometer. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 10 micrometers to meters. The answer is 1 times 10 to the power of minus 5 meters. There are 10 to the power of 6 micrometers in 1 meter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 0.002 meters to micrometers. The answer is 2 times 10 to the power of 3 micrometers. There are 10 to the power of 12 meters in 1 terameter. So we use this conversion factor. Convert 1.5 terameters to meters. The answer is 1.5 times 10 to the power of 12 meters.